guys, it's me, your host, Starry, and this is
Therian.
and today we are gonna be filming a Therian school. This will be one of your classmates, and pretend you are one of the students. I'm gonna be your teacher, and let's get rolling, shall we?
Good morning.
Oh, hello there. You must be the new student. Come on, sit down. Okay, now you can start reading the books while we wait for your other students. I mean, other classmates. Oh, good morning. You must also be a new student. Go ahead, sit down on the floor. Sit down on the floor. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so class, we're just gonna wait for the more students, and then we can get started with the lesson. Okay, class, now welcome back to a new year of Therian School. So today we are gonna be introducing ourselves. Okay? Okay. So first we start with you.
Don't shy.
Come on, friend. You can say it. Come on. We're all friends here.
Hello, it's
Okay, you can sit down. You can sit down. Take a seat. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what? Okay. Ask me, may I go to the bathroom? When you go to the bathroom, just say this. Okay. Okay, so while we wait, let's just go ahead and introduce you. Yes, you. Okay, take a seat now. Rainbow, come here. So, what's your name? Hello, my name is Rainbow, and I am from England. You can take a seat now. Okay. Okay, now for the last student, we are gonna be choosing. I wonder who the last student can be. It's you. It's you. Come on up here. Just say hello. Just say hello.
Hello.
No, not you. Say hello, okay? Say hello.
Hi.
Yeah, they're all friends. They're gonna say hi to you as well. Their voice is a little bit quiet, so don't rush her. Don't rush them. And yeah, you can take a seat now. So today we are gonna be learning the topic. We're gonna be learning how to make Therian masks. Therian masks. I'm fine. I'm definitely fine. Actually, wait. What day is it today?
Friday.
Okay, so Therian mask making isn't until Monday. So today, instead of Therian mask making, we're gonna be learning the history of Therians. Okay, does that sound good? Does that sound good? Okay, so didn't I give you guys assignments last time? Okay, so you need to show me your assignments. Come on, wait a minute. You're new here. You don't have an assignment yet. I gave you the two of you assignments last year. So you guys need to present that right now. Sweetie, just you don't need to do anything. Just sit here and watch them embarrass themselves. Actually, instead of don't mind the background sounds.
Tapos ito sa paa? O ito naman na. Tapos na, ito na lang.
Instead of doing assignments, we're gonna do snack break first. Don't mind the background. Don't mind the background. So we're gonna do assignments first. I mean, we're gonna do a snack break first. So just take out your lunchbox and yeah. Okay, class. You guys only have like 7 minutes left of snack break. So finish early, and we can do this assignment already. Okay, bye. Bye for a minute. Okay, I hope you guys had a nice break time. And now assignments. Going with you first. Come here, Jasmine.
Malikot na
Okay, you just need to say, this is my assignment. I am Jasmine, and I didn't do it so much because I had a lot of free time in summer break, but I wasted it. Go to the fire. Come on. Let the classroom
Kita mo,
see.
maganda ka ngayon pag
Oo, pag nakatali ang buho, kanina asim tingnan.
Why are random?
Asim niya tingnan.
Don't mind the random strangers on the window. Okay, ready, go.
Sarap ayusan eh. Kasi ang cute eh.
Girl.
Cute na eh.
Okay, your voice is very weird. Now, where's your assignment? Okay, I'll go ask.
Cute eh. Nakikita na ko sa kanya.
I'll go ask the security guard. Wait. What do you mean you didn't give your bag to the security? Rainbow, we've been over this last year. You know what? Detention right now.
Wala na, yun na lang.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna be having to switch classrooms to do the history
Ang sakit eh, yung parang hinihigaw.
because
Oo,
there's people in my room right now and I do not want any more background sounds. So, let's go to the different classroom. Everyone line up. Line up. Jasmine, line up. Line up. I'm just gonna go. No, stay here. Wait for your other classmates. Wait for your other classmates. Okay, come on, sweetheart. Okay, class, let's go.
Ayos mo yung upuan dyan, Lloyd.
All right, class, take a seat. Okay. Okay, class. Today's topic is what is a Therian? A Therian is an individual who identifies as a Therian is an individual who identifies as a non-human animal. Any questions? Raise your hand if you have questions. Taas ng kamay if you have questions. Bakit dalawa? Isa lang. Okay. Jasmine, ano yung question mo?
This one.
Hindi yan question, Jasmine.
Ano yan? Ano po, please?
Oh, that's a good question. Now sit down. A belief is something you believe in, or something that other people believe in. We have many different beliefs. Some with religions, some with identities, and others with just silly theories. Or they can have headcanons, as they call in fandoms. So yeah, that's a belief. Any more questions, anybody? Hold on, let me just go get Rainbow from detention. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of work and then I'm gonna be asking you guys some questions, okay? If none of you can answer, you guys are all going to detention. Okay, Jasmine, stop. Sit down properly. Is this how you sit down? That's what I thought. Hands on your desk. Hands folded on your desk. Okay. So, let's get started with the work. Okay, so I want you guys to write an essay about what we've learned today. It can be a short essay or a short story, just anything about what we've learned. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. You guys can do that. Hindi pwede, Jasmine. Jasmine! Hindi nga pwede. Okay, class, so have you finished? Okay, so put your pen down, Jasmine. Tapos na ang oras mo. Okay, so finished or not, I'm gonna get your assignments. I mean your seat work. Usap muna kayo while I'm gonna grade your test.
Hey, friend. Ano tayo? Okay. Paano tayo? Tayo awas? Okay. Last year. Yan tayo. Tayo. Sabi ko tayo. Pistol friend tayo, diba? Okay. Maya. Yay tayo bukas. Okay. Happy. Puto mo yan akin? Ay, bawal. Dahil mami mo? Hindi. Bakit yan? Kid. I got it here. I should have it here. No. I should. Okay. Sabi ko tayo yaya tayo bukas. Diba? And then? Buka iyo.
Okay guys, back to your seats. So, ito yung test mo. Good job, good job. Ikaw? Ano to? Ang mali nito. Bakit wala kang tama dito? There's nothing right there. You need to rewrite that tomorrow, okay? Okay. So you guys can take a moment to rest while I go get your next class ready. I wonder what grade I got. Oh, such a nice grade. My mom's gonna be so proud. Nakuha mo. What did you get?
This one.
Bakit ang liit? Why is it so? You know what? Whatever. I'm just gonna sit back down. Huh? Is the teacher coming back? Oh, dear, are you okay? Anyways, class. Okay, look at me, class. Look at me. Today we are gonna be doing quadrobics. Head off your desk right now. Today we are gonna be doing a quadrobics lesson. So I'm gonna go get the mat. You guys get on the floor right now. Okay, so first we're gonna do some stretches, okay? Follow with me. You can stretch however you want. You can stretch however you want, you guys, but just follow me if you don't know how. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. Okay, so first we're gonna do more stretches with our legs. You can jump. Guys, jump for your stretches. No, jump. Okay, other leg. Okay, so we're gonna start. Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna take off our mask because quadrobics needs a lot of air to breathe and this is blocking it, so we just wear a mask when we're not doing quadrobics, okay? Okay, everybody?
Okay.
So I'm gonna go get some socks on and then we can do the first lesson, which is gonna be walking. Just wait here, okay? Alright, I forgot to turn this on. Okay, so for the walk aerobics, I'm gonna do an example and then you guys are gonna do it as well, okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna need to curl your fingers. Curl your fingers like this. Like this, just mean like this. Just mean ano ko mo. Ganyan. Okay, so I'm gonna do it first. Just mean no, hindi ka pa. Okay. We'll be right back. Technical difficulties. Anyways, what? You guys saw nothing, okay? Okay, so we're gonna move. Whose bag is this? Didn't I say put your bags near your desk? I said that before. Don't mind her. Okay, so example of walking. Curl your fingers, as I said, and just go. Remember, walking is supposed to feel natural. So if it hurts, just tell me and we can try a different form. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay, so Jasmine, your turn. Your turn. Jasmine, no. Dito ka muna. Dito ka. Dito ka. Okay, curl your fingers. Tapos, ganito. Okay. It's supposed to feel natural. Jasmine. Ayan. Masakit ba? Hindi. Try mo ganito. Masakit pa rin?
Hindi na.
Okay, sit down. We're gonna work on that when you're having a tutor. So, Han, are you gonna do a tutor later? No? Okay. So, let's go ahead and go to you. Come on. Okay, remember. Curl your hands. Curl it and then go.
You.
Oh wow, you're doing a twirl. Just get out of the way. Okay, sit back down. You did a good job. Come on. Jasmine, nakapindot na. Get down. Okay, while your classmate is getting ready, I'm gonna tell you guys what Kadrobics is. Kadrobics is a workout that Therians don't actually need to do Kadrobics, but this class is a choice because you can just say, Miss, can I skip this class because I do not want to do Kadrobics and it is not my stereotype. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, reminder, this guy is not actually a Therian. This is a role play. And you guys can also not be Therians. If you're just here to learn about Therians, then that's fine. Okay. Anyways, sit back down. And now we're gonna catch our breath since walking is hard for some people. Ready? Inhale.
Hair.
Breathe ka, hindi ganito. Breathe ka, ha? Okay. So, we're gonna do our last class and then we can go home, okay? You're not allowed to go home. You have a tutor, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, the last class is mask making. Okay. So, this is what we're gonna be making. You're gonna need... I'm gonna take this apart real quick. So, you're gonna need 2 pieces that look like this for ears. And then you're gonna probably want to cut this up. Cut up a piece of cardboard into your desired face shape. And then you're gonna make a snout like this. Or you can do another technique, which I will be showing in the next day. So, yeah, you can also color it, and I recommend using hot glue for this, or if you have a mask base, just use that. You don't need to do the cardboard stuff. Then you're gonna need felt, which I didn't use. What? Did you just roll your eyes at me? Did you just... Okay, don't roll your eyes, okay? Okay. So, class is dismissed. You guys can head on to the outside and wait for your pickup, or you can just go home by yourself. So this is your host, Sunny speaking, and I'm out. Okay, so this means you're gonna be left behind for your tutor, okay? And you can go home. You can go home now. Let's just Jasmine, can you lead her to the lounge? Okay, come on. Can you open the door for me?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, bye. I'm gonna walk home now. Back to class. Go back to class. Go back. Sararin mo pinto. Sararin mo. What? Okay. Wah. Okay, guys, if you've made it this far in the video, make sure to like and subscribe. So we'll see you in the other videos. Bye. Say bye, Jasmine.
Bye.
Now you're gonna need your tutoring lessons. Bye, guys. Wait a minute. That's not my outro. Bye, guys. This is your host, Starry, and I'm telling you to hit the subscribe button right now. I'm a small content creator, And that's all for today's class. Bye.